Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the Solstice airdrop. Alright, so on the previous video that I uploaded, I told you guys about the early riser campaign, where I showed you guys how you can be able to participate and claim your early bird NFT, which is going to be giving you automatic 2000 flays or 1000 flays. So that's what I talked about on the previous video. So if you haven't watched the video, go back right now and watch the video to learn how you can be able to participate on the early riser campaign hosted or launched on Megaphone in order before you then start with this Solstice dApp. All right, so link to this dApp that we are going to be talking about is going to be right there on the video description box, guys. So without talking much guys, we are going to be getting started right now, but I want to show you guys something right here real quick. Before we start this video, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel and you have liked this video. Aside that guys, we are also giving Tonecoin to our community members. So if you want to be part of the Tonecoin giveaway, what you need to do is very simple. What you need to do to be part of the Tonecoin giveaway is to simply look below the video you are watching right now. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and first of all subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscription button. Then this bell is going to appear. Click on the bell and select all, so that when I post new video, you'll be the first to know about it, right? So finally, you go ahead right now and give this video a thumbs up like this, and finally you share the video to anyone, your friend, your family member, your community, wherever you want. Then finally drop a very nice comment right there on the comment section, because on the comment section is where we pick our winners, guys. So with that bundle, guys, you have now on your way to get free Tonecoin for just watching our video. That's basically what you need to do. Okay, so coming back to the main business of the day, which is of course how to participate on the Solstice airdrop and be eligible for the airdrop. It is totally free, though there is still some part of it that needs you to commit some funds, but those funds that you are committing are still yours. You have full control over it. So right now, what is Solstice in the first place? So Solstice is actually a DeFi protocol that provides an institutional grade yield. That's basically what Solstice is all about, and they haven't yet announced the amount that they have raised, but this project called Solstice is 100% backed by Solana, and they are building 100% on Solana, guys. So it is a very nice one, and a lot of prominent people in the crypto space are digging into this already. So let's now get started with our own right now. Like I said earlier, the link is going to be right there on the video description box. So first of all, you go ahead to connect your wallet. So you click on connect wallet right now. Okay, so once you click on connect wallet, you select the wallet you want to connect right here. Or the wallet you are using should be supporting Solana. So I'll be choosing my Phantom wallet. So choosing my Phantom wallet right now, this is going to be popping up my Phantom wallet for me to confirm the connection. Right now, immediately I will click on connect, and right now our wallet will be connected. So we have to sign this signature right now. So we have to sign this message. I will click on confirm, and right now the connection should be done right now. So looking over here right now, you can see the next thing you need to do right now is to start from swap. All right, so you need to start from swap right here. But before we talk about this swap right now, let's talk about the Enflay. Click on Enflay right now. So, okay, so once you click on Enflay, you are going to be taken to the part where you need to complete some certain task. All right, so you can see over here, join the Flay campaign. Flay are Solstice reward points that tracks your contribution, earn them by holding USX or EUSX, providing liquidity or referring users. As Solstice grow, Flay unlock your SLX airdrop allocation and extra benefits, with the biggest contributor earning the largest share of the upside. Okay, so right now we have successfully connected our wallet, and you can see our wallet holds 1000 Flay. Now you may be asking, how did we get this 1000 Flay? On the previous video which I made, I told you guys that you need to complete the Megaphone campaign, which is basically this one, and I told you guys that if you complete this one right now, you are going to be getting you are going to be entitled to 1000 Flay, all right, by just completing this task right here. Though this task may likely cost about $0.5 or $1. So right now, that is, you now know how I got 1000 Flay, right? So right now we go ahead right now. You need to enter your invite, or sorry, enter your partner invite code. So we are going to be, I'm going to be providing the code right now. So entering this code is also going to be, earning you some points. So right now I'll be providing the code, and I'll be continuing immediately. And once you are done, make sure that you are, make sure that 3 of them are ticked green like this. So you go ahead right now and click on enter reward program. Okay, and immediately after that, guys, you are going to be brought right here on this page. So click over here on swaps. Okay, click on swaps right now. So clicking on swap right now, this is going to be showing the total amount of USDC that you have on your wallet. So right now we need to hold some USX, and we need to lock some. So to be able to do that, we need to swap our assets, which is basically USDC. We need to swap it to USS, which is the stable coin for Solana. So I'll be swapping, let me just swap 10. Okay, so right now I need to confirm this right now, then I'll be clicking on confirm. Okay, and right now we have successfully swapped our 10.1 USDC for 10.09 USX. I will close this right now. Right now we have got USX, right? So the next thing we need to do is to get EUSX. Okay, let's go ahead and get EUSX first. So I will clicking from here. So right now I have some USDC on my wallet, and now I've got some USX, right? So I will lock USX to get EUSX. Now listen clearly so that you won't miss you won't get it wrong. So right now, guys, what I want to lock is USX. So when I lock USX, I'll be getting EUXX, right? So I'll just lock in half of it. So I'll be clicking on this right now, end flay right here. Okay, so I will click on lock and start earning. So right now I'll be locking this right now. Okay, so this is going to be popping up my Phantom wallet as always. So I will go ahead and then confirm the transaction right now. I will click on confirm. So right now we have successfully locked 5 USX, and we are going to receive 5 EUS tokens. So I will close this right now. So this is basically what you need to do right now. So we have now locked it up, and we are now earning some yield from this. Okay, so there are certain ways to earn the flay points right here. That is why you need some funds. And remember, the bigger or the larger the amount of funds that you are using for this airdrop, the better your allocation. And this is an airdrop that I'm seeing a lot of prominent guys out there keying in into it. So I have a lot of faith that this airdrop is going to do well. So we now have 5 we now have 5 EUSX, and we have 5 USX, and we also have USDC. Okay, so we go ahead right now. We have locked up right now a couple of stuff. Okay, so this is the balance that we have locked up right here. So I can decide to unlock this if I want, but unlocking it is not actually the right thing, because if you unlock it, you are going to be automatically swapping the EUSX to USX. Okay, I'm trying my best not to mix word right here. So right now that we have done all this right now, so we are not, there's no need of withdrawing anything. We now go back to where we were earlier. So coming back right here, I think we can now try this out. Okay, I think I need to go for this one. We are going to be taken to another platform, which is Radium. So once you are here on Radium, you need to read this and agree to the terms and conditions. The next thing is to connect your wallet, which is the same wallet that you connected on the Solstice platform. So I will click on connect right now. Then I will select my wallet, which is of course Phantom wallet. So right now, popping up my Phantom wallet, I need to simply click on confirm right now, and my wallet will be automatically connected. And right now you can see our balances have shown up right here. My balance for EUSX and my balance for USX. So right now we are trying to provide liquidity right here. Okay, so for example, what I need to do is to go ahead right now and select the amount. So I'll be providing 2. Okay, so right now I think I'm good to go. So I will go ahead and click on confirm. So this transaction is going right now. I think we should be good to go from this side. Just give it a little time to confirm to us that we have successfully provided. You can see add liquidity. We have now added this liquidity right now. You can see the message right here. Okay, so from here, what you need to do is very simple. So right now that it has confirmed that we have added this liquidity, so do not mind this loading right here. Maybe it's just maybe a network issue. Okay, and finally we got this message saying deposit successfully. Okay, you can see a new NFT representing your concentrated liquidity position is now in your wallet. Okay, so you can see we just got an NFT for providing this liquidity. So we go ahead and you can see do not burn this NFT or you will be unable to remove liquidity. So do not burn this NFT for any reason. Okay, so I will go ahead and close this right now. You can see our balance has also changed. So coming back right now to the Solstice dApp. Okay, so follow all the steps that I'm taking right now. Basically we have done everything that we need to do for this Solstice dApp. You can see how I'm doing it with just about $15. I have been able to do almost every single thing required of me right here. So let's now go back to the end section. Okay, let's now go back to the end section. Okay, end flare right here. Let's go back into it. Okay, so over here right now you can see our balance should still be 1,000 as it is earlier. That is because all these activities that I've just done right now, they haven't yet reflected. They haven't taken those datas into consideration, so it won't reflect here, but in the coming time it will. So right now, scrolling down to the bottom of this, first of all you can see this is my flare balance right here. So but scrolling down to the bottom of this, you can see that for what I just did right now, which is basically connecting the wallet that I used during my to participate on the megaphone campaign, we are and doing some of the couple of other stuff that I've done right now. You can see I'm currently on the top 3.5% right here, and of course this is my referral code. I'll be sharing it with you guys. I'll be leaving it right there on the comment section as well. So also you can see right here, enter a referral code right here. So the referral code that you are entering right here is actually the referral code of the person that referred you. So on the first part, which is while we were registering right here, I'll be dropping all the details, but while we were registering right here, there was the point that they asked us to put a partner code. So the partner code you are going to put there is just right radium. All right, I'll refresh this. So when they ask you for the partner code, just write radium on the partner code. I'll be listing out the whole step-by-step guide once you click on the link on the video description box. But coming over here that we have enter a referral code. Simply put this my code. I'll be leaving this on the comment section. Simply copy this code right now. When you are trying to participate on this, copy this code, then add it right here. For example, right now I'll be adding the code of the person that invites me right here. Okay, right now I've added the code of the person that invites me. Then I will click on this arrow. So this is going to be confirming that this person actually referred me into this. Okay, so you can see just doing it, you are done. Remember, when you are doing your own, please use my own code. I'll be dropping it on the comment section as well. You can see it has now confirmed it. So right now guys, you can see this is where we have some other things that you need to do. For example, if you connected the right wallet that you used to participate on the megaphone campaign, you'll be getting 1,000 flare. I've done that. And over here you need to connect your X account. Connecting your X account is very simple. I believe you know how to do it. And over here we have the partner code, which I've done already. Okay, so when you click on, you can see one is active. I've done it already. Like I told you, when you are asked about partner code, just write radium, normal radium, which is where I just provided liquidity right now. Just write radium. Okay, so coming back right here on the Solstice dApp right here, you can see a lot of things are involved right here. Adding a referral code, I've also done it, but it haven't reflected yet. And if you hold USX for 3 months, you will also be getting rewarded for that, and also you'll be getting multiplier. And if you hold UXX, you will be getting a multiplier and first swap. There are a lot of things right here which you basically need to do, and once you do any of them, you are going to be getting rewarded. That's basically all that's involved right here, guys. So this is all you need to know about the Solstice dApp, and basically this is all that concerns the Solstice airdrop, guys. So this video is already very long, and I believe that it was very impactful. If you have any question, do well to refer to me right there on the comment section, and I'll be there to answer you immediately. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next update dropping very soon. Remember, we have one more video concerning this Solstice airdrop. So I'll be dropping that next. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video dropping very soon. Do not fade this airdrop for any reason. Do not fade it. Do everything possible to get yourself involved in this airdrop, and at the end you will thank me. You will thank me. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll be talking to you on the next one. See you. Bye.